Welcome to Denraks Machinery. In today's video, we present different models of combined harvesting and threshing machines engineered for efficiency, durability, and consistent field performance. These machines integrate cutting, feeding, threshing, separation, and cleaning into one seamless operation, helping farmers reduce labor, save time, and maximize yield. Watch closely and discover the right solution for your farming needs. If you're looking for reliable combined harvesting and threshing machines, Denraks Machinery has the right solution for you. Watch the models carefully, choose what fits your farming needs, and contact Denraks Machinery today for pricing, specifications, and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
We take the ride, we're made to move, made to rise. Strength and vision in our eyes. Denraks Machinery, standing true. Building the world, it starts with you.
烧固定，烧固定的是这个两个是比较不合适了。